Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And today I'm going to show you what I created 2 weeks ago and what I'm going to create for this week. And this was written from the 29th of May till the beginning of June. And I had a lot of things to do, to work. We needed to go to the dentist. We didn't have anything, so that was marvelous. I went to a friend to drink tea, and I went to the car wash, and there my antenna for my car. I have a very old car with a very old radio, but it all worked, so that broke down, so that wasn't very pleasant, and I needed to buy a new one, and they said that was my own risk, so that wasn't very pleasant. The weather was quite good. I see here that it was still cold. I know that we had some sunny days, but it was still cold. Absolutely indifferent from this week. And that I will show you now. And before I forget, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe. That will help my channel grow, and I'm very pleased with that. And this week the temperature was rising, so for that reason I want to have a sunny spread with some soft colors, red and pink. Well, this is from sunglasses, so how typical. Ice creams and glasses for outside. And what I said, the temperature was rising. Till Friday it was really nice weather, but the weekend was bloody hot. And that's always for a few days, and then it's over in the Netherlands. So for that reason we don't have airco in our houses. Well, I don't have some houses. They have, of course, airco, but we don't have that because it's only a few days, a week, maybe 2 weeks in summer is it extremely hot, but normally it's good to do. Sometimes it's even rainy or whatever. And on Monday it was my to-do day. I need a lot of things to do, to call people, things to arrange. So for that day I had a long to-do list. But I managed, and I'm creating another stamp for a nice girl because it was absolutely lovely weather, and I made a nice walk outside to keep myself in shape. And like this girl, I have still the same milk bottles legs, milk bottles. We always call them milk bottles because they are so wide. And we started a new challenge. We, as my husband and I, to have no sugar in our food, no cookies, no chocolate, and everything where sugar is in, we didn't eat. And I must say, we do it now for a week, and yes, it's going quite well. I feel more energetic. And on Tuesday I went for shopping for a new summer dress. I had 2 of them which were absolutely old, so I needed something new. And I must say it was quite a challenge, because I was in the changing room with 8 dresses, and it was bloody hot over there because the shop didn't have airco either. And if you try some dresses, some are too small, some are too large, then they are too big. One I was too small, so I couldn't get it out. Well, okay. Luckily, I found a dress that fits me and suits me very well, so I'm happy that I have a new one. And now I want a second one as well. And I hope to find that soon. And on Wednesday it was a laundry day, and I never know where that is coming from. I think it's growing somewhere here over here. I really don't know. And even if you did everything, you had all the laundry, you did 3 or 4 washes that day, and at the end you find some socks somewhere and an old T-shirt or something like that. And I really think, why on earth is it laying there, and where does it come from? I have no idea. And on that evening, I played a game with my son, and I lost, and I don't like that. For that, I'm going to put one of these emoji stickers. And you might say, well, that's very childish that you don't like it to lose, but I like to win. My son likes to win as well, so we are really a good team together when we play. And now I'm searching for a woman with not so many clothes on like this, because all the others have winter clothes on, so that's not very normal or good for these days. And Thursday was my laundry day, and not again. No, it was just my cleaning day. And later on in the afternoon, I had some time to sit in the sun with a lovely book. Because when it's good weather, you always have to enjoy it, because you never know what's going to happen, of course, in the Netherlands. And Friday was just a working day, not of groceries to do. I met a friend, and on Saturday the temperature was rising again. It started to become tropical, and we had a barbecue and a party with friends. And that was really lovely. Was good to do. The sticker don't want to come off. I think it's from the heat as well. And I love these stickers. They are so cute. And on Sunday it was too hot to do anything, so I didn't do much. I only sat somewhere in the shade in my house, then again in the shade under a tree, and read a good book. And that's the only thing you can do when it's so bloody hot. But it will be hot on Monday, and then the temperature will go into a normal level for the Netherlands, and that's better, because there is some humid in outside as well. You can feel it in the air, and that makes it always a little bit harder. So that's not very comfortable. But what I said, it's only a few days, maybe a week, but most times not longer. That you have 3 or 4 weeks tropical. That's well, I can't remember that. If you like this video, please give a like, and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope you have a pleasant week. Bye bye.